Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to talk about adding images to the corkboard in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Did you realise you could add images to your corkboard? Well, you can, but it's a bit of an either-or situation. The inspector is where this is managed. Let's say you have your corkboard planning done, but you want to add some inspirational images. Make sure your inspector is open to the Notes section, so you can see the synopsis box. Click on the card you want to associate with the image, then click on the picture icon above the synopsis box. Drag in your image to where it indicates. This may take a few seconds to load if it's a big image. And then you can toggle between the two, which will affect both the corkboard and the synopsis box. So you can have text and image, but you can only see one at a time. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.